Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about cost-effective solutions for a leaking commercial metal roof. So if you have a metal roof and you're worried that one of your options or your only option is to completely rip all the metal panels off, pay to transport them to a landfill, and then install a new metal roof, I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. You have other options beside that. That's a very expensive option, but hopefully after today you can learn other cost-effective solutions to get your roof watertight and to keep going strong for a long time. So really real quick, how metal roofs leak. Metal roofs, I mean, they're fastened down with screws and fasteners. Over time, they just back out. I mean, the roof with weather fluctuations, there's a lot of stress on there. They just back out, and even a little bit of, opportunity there, water can get in there and start damaging stuff on the inside. They're old. The metal roof is 20 plus years old. It'll start rusting out, little cracks, little splits. There are seams. That's how the metal panels are together. Those can wear out and get cracks. So any little stuff over that time, I mean, that's how metal roofs leak. And once you're at that point, I mean, you need to do something else to make sure water doesn't enter your building. So you might be wondering if you need to remove your metal panels or not. You don't. If you have two roofing systems already installed, you'll need to remove them or put coating over top of that. That's one option out there. But a lot of times you can install spray foam or coating. Elastomeric coatings, they stretch with the roof. They come in acrylic, urethane, and silicone. We use silicone the most because it's kind of like the best bang for the buck in terms of performance for the price. But what we've done before is we'll go to a metal roof, we'll go and do an inspection and see what the current conditions of it is, and we'll power wash the roof clean, do a couple adhesion tests to make sure the coating or the foam will adhere to it, and simply just go over top of it with spray foam. The whole roof covers all those little screws, all those little fasteners, all the seams. It'll be a seamless roofing system. It's great with R value, but it's great because it avoids the complete tear off. That's the most important thing. That's the most expensive repair option out there. So if you do have a metal roof, look into spray-on systems, spray polyurethane foam or roof coating systems, like I said before. I wanted to highlight a case study that we did. We did a 384,000 square foot roof. They had some leaking, and they were skeptical of spray foam because they've never heard of it before. So they tested a little area, and they ended up doing spray foam over the whole roof. There's certainly some challenges with time frames, but read the whole case study. It's got stuff about R value, how the insulation worked, and how much they kind of saved without doing the complete tear off. But just want to introduce the system, tell you that's it's an available option for you out there if you have a metal roof. But please click below to the description. You can learn more about everything I said here today. And thank you so much. Hope you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.